Ever had a bird poop on you? It's messy, but in cultures like Russia, India, and Italy, it's actually considered a sign of good luck. The belief is that since birds soar high in the sky, their droppings are like blessings from above, signaling that wealth and fortune are on their way. It's a quirky way to turn an unpleasant experience into something positive. Some say this superstition was created to help people cope with the embarrassment of being pooped on. So, next time a bird takes aim, just remember, it might be a sign that luck is about to land in your lap.